Millions of dollars in magic internet money to buy virtual real estate in the metaverse might seem crazy, but someone paid $450,000 for land next to Snoop Dogg in the Sandbox, and metaverse real estate sales have topped $50 million and are expected to double this year. And just looking at the trends of how we are living our lives, we are all spending more and more of our days online and on our phones. So it makes sense to me that the metaverse will be the next inevitable step. Anyways, hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to buy land in the metaverse, and would answer some questions like what even metaverse land is and where you can buy it. Stick with us till the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Make sure you like and share our video, and subscribe to our channel. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into it. The metaverse is a persistent online three-dimensional environment that integrates numerous virtual spaces. It may be compared to a future version of the internet. Users will be able to collaborate, meet, play games, and interact in these 3D environments thanks to the metaverse. Although the metaverse does not yet exist in its entirety, metaverse-like aspects may be found on various platforms. At the moment, video games give the closest metaverse experience available. By holding in-game events and building virtual economies, developers have pushed the boundaries of what a game can be. Cryptocurrencies, while not needed, can be a perfect match for a metaverse. They enable the creation of a digital economy based on various utility tokens and virtual valuables, NFTs. Well, if you ask, what is this NFT? An NFT manifested land is a piece of virtual real estate represented by an NFT token, and an NFT member's land is a piece of virtual real estate represented by a non-fungible token. The owner can use this property for socializing, advertising, work gaming, and other purposes depending on the platform. The adoption of crypto wallets like Trust Wallet and MetaMask would also assist the metaverse. Furthermore, blockchain technology may be used to create transparent and trustworthy governance structures. Existing blockchain-based, metaverse-like apps offer people livable earnings. Many people utilize Axie Infinity as a play-to-earn game to supplement their income. Other successful instances of combining the blockchain world with virtual reality apps include Second Life and Decentraland. The financial, virtual, and physical worlds are all becoming increasingly connected. At the push of a button, the technologies we use to control our lives allow us access to practically everything we desire. This has also affected the crypto industry. NFTs, blockchain games, and crypto payments are no longer exclusive to crypto enthusiasts. As part of a growing metaverse, they are now all readily available. Now let's answer this question. What is the connection between video games and the metaverse? Video games now provide the closest metaverse experience due to the emphasis on 3D virtual reality. This isn't solely due to the fact that they are 3D. Video games increasingly include services and features that are applicable to various areas of our lives. Roblox is a video game that offers virtual events such as concerts and gatherings. Players no longer simply play the game, they also use it in cyberspace for other activities and aspects of their lives. For example, Travis Scott's virtual in-game music tour drew 12.3 million players in the online game Fortnite. You can buy NFT management's land through a project land sale or an NFT marketplace, where you can buy directly from landowners to buy the land. Always buy your NFT land from the project in a land sale or via a credible NFT exchange on the secondary market. Investors and crypto fans are growing more interested in the subject. In the 3D digital world, virtual land has grown fairly popular, and the market is quite comparable to real-world real estate purchasing and selling. NFT land is a simple procedure, and today we'll go over what virtual NFT land is and what it means in terms of project management. NFT land is a valid piece of digital space that may be used for a number of purposes, including pure speculation and metaverse initiatives. The map is often split into smaller parts and offered as a single or several land offers. Because the lands are non-fungible tokens, proving ownership and validity of these digital assets is simple. The most common method of payment is cryptocurrency, but some projects also accept regular fiat money. When space is accurate, it usually comes with a 3D virtual tour of the owner and visitors to enjoy this plot. The landowner may sell it on the secondary market or within the ecosystem of the metaverse. What are some of the uses of NFT virtual land? Well, while some investors are merely looking to make a profit, others may desire to utilize the property for its original purpose. What you can do with your land depends on the project you choose. If the property receives enough traffic, it's common for space to host events, conferences, and even rent advertising space. It's likely that if you buy land from the NFT game, you'll get an in-game benefits from the plot. Getting started with NFT land is similar to getting started with any other NFT. To get started, all you need is a wallet and some cryptocurrency in your wallet. Make sure you do your homework before taking a risk, just like you would with any other investment. So, step number 1 is to choose a platform to work with before purchasing a property. Your reason for acquiring the property will influence the project you pick, which I will address in more detail later in the tips section. For example, you may utilize the Sandbox on Ethereum or the Decentraland. It's another well-liked option. Step 2. Prepare your wallet. You'll need to create a wallet that enables you to test your Bitcoin. Depending on your preferences, you may use your mobile wallet or a browser-based wallet. A browser-based wallet, on the other hand, is more likely to have fewer troubles. Both MetaMask and Binance Chain wallets are good choices because they support different blockchains, but make sure the wallet you choose supports the NFT land blockchain. When you set up your wallet, you'll be given a string of words known as your key phrases. Keep it safe because this is how you'll be able to recover your wallet if you lose it. It's best to keep it somewhere that's always online. In step 3, link your wallet to the Sandbox marketplace, and you'll be able to view the land tracts that are accessible to buy on the Sandbox map. To keep things simple, we'll look at one we can do directly on the Sandbox marketplace. So, click next to the MetaMask, and the MetaMask will display a pop-up window, asking you to connect. Then, click the Connect button to continue connecting your wallet. You'll be prompted to enter an email address and a nickname in the Sandbox to finish. The next step is to pick a piece of land using the choices below. You can rapidly filter through available land in the Sandbox to build on or buy it. After you find some land you want to buy, you can either make an offer by clicking the Buy button or buy it for a fixed price by clicking on the Ethereum amount. You can sell it on the Metaverse project marketplace or in a secondary market. Sandbox landowners will be able to sell directly through the Sandbox in the future for a 5% transaction fee. Simply go to your profile and click Sell Bottom on your NFT to send your land to OpenSea. You will be able to set a fixed price for a set time and auction after that. Landowners will be able to rent their land to third parties, such as Sandbox, but there is no official framework in place to accomplish this yet. So if you want to rent your land to someone, you'll have to make a private agreement, which makes the process rather dangerous. When renting, you should never give the tenant ownership of your NFT. It's safer to wait until the official launch of rentals on the Sandbox or other platforms. And that's all for today, guys. Enlighten us with your thoughts, share them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And thank you for watching.